Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account in Italy. First, go to paypal.com. On this page, click Sign Up and select your account type. You can choose between a personal account or a business account. Next, make sure your country flag is set to Italy at the top of the screen. If it's not, use the drop-down to select it. You can sign up directly on the website or download the PayPal mobile app from the Play Store or App Store and log in using the same credentials. Enter your email address and click Continue. Then, provide your phone number. PayPal will send a code to your phone. Enter it to verify your number. Next, create a password and click Next. Fill in your personal information and click Next again. Then, enter your address. PayPal will usually detect it automatically, but if not, you can type it manually. Finally, agree to the terms and click Agree and create account. At this point, you can choose to link a payment method, like your card, if you want to make purchases. If not, you can skip this step. Once your account is created, you can always log in via the mobile app to access your dashboard. And that's it. Your PayPal account in Italy is now ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.